Block, the company behind Square and Cash App, open-sourced an AI agent that helped shape the Model Context Protocol itself. It has 35,000 GitHub stars, over 1,700 extensions, works with 25 different LLM providers, and it just got contributed to the Linux Foundation. This is Goose, and it might be the most complete open-source AI agent available today. Goose is an open-source, extensible AI agent built by Block Inc. Unlike code assistants that suggest completions, Goose operates autonomously. It builds entire projects from scratch, writes and executes code, debugs failures, manages workflows, and interacts with external APIs without continuous human input. It ships as both a CLI and an Electron desktop app, so you can use it from the terminal or a graphical interface. The key differentiator is extensibility. Through MCP, the Model Context Protocol, Goose connects to over 1,700 available extensions that give it access to GitHub, Google Drive, Figma, Docker, databases, and basically any API with an MCP server. It's not locked to one LLM either. It supports over 25 providers, including Claude, GPT, Gemini, Llama, and local models with multi-model configuration that lets you route different tasks to different models based on cost and capability. Goose's core is written in Rust, 58% of the codebase, with TypeScript handling the desktop UI and extension interfaces. The Rust Foundation gives Goose the performance and reliability you need from a tool that's executing shell commands, managing file operations, and orchestrating multi-step workflows on your local machine. The architecture is modular by design. There's a Goose MCP crate for MCP protocol handling, a plugin system for extensions, and clean separation between the agent logic, the LLM provider layer, and the user interface. The project has 4,078 commits from 438 contributors. This is not a side project. Block has invested serious engineering resources, and the latest release, v1.29.1, shipped just yesterday with Claude adaptive thinking support and per-session Goose mode persistence. The codebase is well-maintained, actively developed, and backed by a company processing billions of dollars in transactions. Let's look at the repo. The GitHub page immediately shows the scale of this project. 35,400 stars, active releases, comprehensive documentation. The README is concise, but links to thorough docs at block.github.io/goose. The codebase is cleanly organized with crates for the core agent, MCP handling, and CLI. There's an agents.md for AI-assisted development on the project itself. The community is active with a Discord server, and Block maintains official social presence across YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. What stands out is the governance documentation. This is a professionally maintained open-source project with clear contribution guidelines and a roadmap. The extension system through MCP is what makes Goose genuinely different from other AI agents. With over 1,700 MCP servers available, Goose can connect to virtually any external system. Need to manage GitHub repos? There's an extension for that. Want to generate code from Figma designs? Extension. Query a database, manage Docker containers, search Google Drive, plan routes with Google Maps, all available as MCP extensions that Goose can use autonomously during a session. The MCP integration means Goose isn't limited to what's built in. Any team can build custom MCP servers for their internal tools and immediately give Goose access. This is the compound advantage. Every new MCP server in the ecosystem automatically becomes a capability Goose can leverage without any changes to Goose itself. Recipes are one of the most practical features in Goose. A recipe is a YAML file that bundles instructions, required extensions, parameters, and retry logic into a shareable, reusable workflow. Think of it like a Docker file, but for AI agent tasks. You define what the agent should do, which extensions it needs, what inputs are required, and how it should handle failures. Then, anyone on your team, or anyone in the community, can run that same workflow with a single command. This turns one-off agent interactions into repeatable, version-controlled automation. Code review workflows, deployment checklists, data migration scripts, onboarding guides. Anything you've prompted an agent to do more than once becomes a recipe you can share and iterate on. Installation is one homebrew command on Mac. Run Goose Session to start an interactive session. Goose greets you and asks what you'd like to work on. From there, you can ask it to build a project, debug an issue, or run a recipe. The configure command lets you set up LLM providers and enable extensions. Running a recipe is just Goose run with a YAML file and parameters. The desktop app provides the same functionality with a graphical interface, file browser, and session history. Both interfaces share the same underlying Rust engine, so there's no feature gap between CLI and desktop. Goose supports over 25 LLM providers, and you can configure multiple models simultaneously. This enables intelligent routing. Send complex reasoning tasks to Claude or GPT while routing simpler operations to faster, cheaper models like Haiku or Local Llama instances. The multi-model configuration means you're not paying top-tier prices for every agent interaction. Routine file operations can use a small model, while architectural decisions get routed to the most capable model available. This is practical cost management for teams running agents at scale. Provider configuration happens through Goose Configure. You can set default models, add API keys, and define routing roles. Switching providers mid-session is also supported, so you can escalate model capability on the fly when a task gets more complex than expected. Two advanced features push Goose beyond typical agent territory. MCP Apps enable rich interactive user interfaces within Goose sessions. Instead of text-only responses, extensions can render forms, data visualizations, and configuration wizards. This transforms Goose from a text agent into an interactive development environment. Then, there's custom distributions. Organizations can build their own branded Goose distro with pre-configured providers, extensions, and settings. Your team gets Goose preloaded with your internal MCP servers, your preferred models, and your company's standard recipes. No manual setup for new team members. Just install the custom distro and start working. In December 2025, Block contributed Goose to the Linux Foundation's Agentic AI Foundation, the same organization now governing Anthropic's MCP and OpenAI's AGNT.MD. This is significant. It means Goose isn't just a Block project anymore. It's community-governed infrastructure under neutral stewardship. The connection to MCP is especially meaningful because Goose helped shape MCP in the first place. As one of the earliest and most active adopters, Goose's requirements directly influence the protocol's design. Now both the protocol and one of its flagship agents live under the same foundation, ensuring alignment between the standard and its most prominent implementation. If you want an AI agent that runs locally on your machine with full autonomy, not just code suggestions, but actual project execution, Goose is the most complete open-source option available. If your team uses MCP servers for internal tooling, Goose is the natural agent to connect them all. If you need shareable, repeatable AI workflows, recipes solve that cleanly. If you're evaluating AI agents and want to avoid vendor lock-in, Goose's 25 provider support and Apache 2.0 license give you total flexibility. And if you care about the long-term viability of your tooling, Linux Foundation governance means this project has staying power beyond any single company's priorities. That's Goose, Block's open-source AI agent that helped build the protocol it runs on. All links in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more agent framework deep dives.